Hi, and welcome to today's WebJaguar video, how to submit a support ticket. First, you're going to go to My Account. Then, you're going to log in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create a new account. Then, go to Customer Support, New Ticket. After that, fill out this area as detailed as possible. You're going to want to start with the subject line. For this example, I'm writing help creating a support ticket as my subject line. Then you're going to choose the service type from bug to new feature to support. After that, you're going to add the description or your question. In this section, you're going to want to be as detailed as possible about the steps you're taking and the error you're encountering or the bug or why you're not finding the area that you're specifically looking for. As you can see, I'm writing my first question, and then I'm going to write the steps that I'm taking. I'm going to speed this next part up. After you're done, you can always add an attachment or a screenshot of any error or bug or section you're talking about. Then you're going to create new ticket submitted in the customer support section. As you can see here, it says 1 ticket. If you want to view your ticket, click on Tickets. Then you can see the status, ticket number, subject, when it was last modified. Go ahead and click on the ticket number. Here you can see the ticket that you just submitted, and if you'd like to update it, scroll to the bottom where it says comment, and then you can update it there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.